Got a work train. $9.89. C&O, nice. Yeah, some of these got some really old one. Yeah, 1960 C&O. You gotta see the dates on some of these cars. I think it's the same one. It's got an old SCL boxcar. Yeah, coming up here, I guess. Might be on the other side, so I might have to chase it to Old Mill. The old SCL gondola. Yeah, it's on the other side if that's a box car. Built 68 original. Yes, find some Seaboard Coastline Conrail. This is a pretty long work train. C&O, another C&O here. C&O built in 1960. SBD. C&O. Another SBD. This one looks old. I think this, okay, this is the one here. Yep. Seaboard Coastline. Oh wow, this side's really good. Look at the logos on that. That thing's ancient. Nice Seaboard Coastline. David Moss, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, press the hot button.